Hi, welcome to clickmeproject.com. Now I am going to explain my project. Dynamic optimization of multi-resource allocation of self-organization in cloud. Modify title. Memory resource management to provide a space in the data center. Abstract. A novel cloud architecture, namely self-organization cloud (SOS), is proposed which can be content a large number of desktop computer on the internet by the peer-to-peer network. In SOS, each participant computer acts as the both resource provider and the resource consumer. In this process, to service self-organization of cloud is the calculating the self-memory, calculating memory and the memory allocation to the access the another user. In this process, to memory temporary memory allocate for the our process. The operate automatically for the location node with more absent resource of unique service in the service network. Multiple VM instance for the executing task commission from other whenever they have ideal resource. We propose an algorithm of optimal the task execution time and execution resource node given a present bucket and tolerable quality of the service. In this process to our access the multiple data and storing for the our cloud storage. In this method to the calculating every memory calculating for the runtimes. This self-organization cloud organization for the our process. This method to automatic resource allocation for the temporary memory to the current user. Now explain our project flow. This is for project flow. Client task submission with expect the resource and the bucket. Can network formation. Can is nothing but content addressable network formation. In this process to resource 1 and resource 2 and resource n2 also calculating for the every user information and get the our storage memory purpose and the query submission and query formation. Query submission and query formation is the also calculating the every user updating and downloading and deleting calculation process for the our information. The optimization resource selection is equal to resource weight and bucket. So resource weight is nothing but every user access the our storage purpose calculating the every moment in the calculating the process. In this process to getting for the bucket process, the task execution process is nothing but the file upload to the receiving for the admin side and get the information for the our process. In this information can update the can update also content addressable update for the our process. In this update to the our user memory has been calculating and displaying for the our process. The resource evaluation for RAM and CPU evaluation for process. In this upload to downloading to the our system memory and RAM process to and CPU process calculating for our project. Now execute my project. This is our project application. This is our dynamic is the our project application. New server is the our project receiving application. So you first run the dynamic application. This is debug button. This is debug button is start the project for our project or fi2 project automatically run, and before you select the login.asp right click to set a start page, then click the debug button. Project has been executed. This is for our main page. This is already user here. Enter your username and password. Where new user created means sign up button, click to the new user created. This is our new user creating process. If name equal to mk1 and date of birth equal to 23692, mail, mobile number equal to mail id equal to mk123@gmail.com and select any one bank. This is our three type of bank providing for the our process. You select the SBI bank, you address the street and the city is Madurai, password is Tamil Nadu, and then click the search button to automatically get the ID fund account number and get the amount for our process. So to click the search ID, this is our new ID for our process and your account number is 7 and your bank amount equal to 5000. Then enter your password 123455. Then click the save button. So message has been displayed, the add user successfully. Then click the OK process. I'm going to amount paying page. This is user ID equal to 007 and password, select your bank equal to SBI and account number is equal to 1110007, and your memory has been 10 memory allocated for your process. Then click the save buttons. So space allocated successfully. Then click the OK process. Then going to your memory has been successfully created. Then going to login page. Your username equal to 7 and password is 12345. Then click the sign up process. The process applied for your memory has been accessed. This is for memory details information. Your click to detail for your memory has been. Your total memory has been 1024. This is for your memory page. Your used memory is 10 MB. This is for our using the memory for your process. Then main page going to, then IP address has been settings. So the IP default IP address is equal to 127.0.0.1. This is for your default IP. Then click the submit process. So IP setting has been successfully. Then upload process. So upload is get the home domain IP address to getting the your default IP address, and click the submit for the one type of file. So browse the one type of file to text file. So example for your text file equal to authentication one.text.txt, and submit to the file has been uploaded. Before you run the new server application, the new server application listen for the your file receiving process, then send for your submit process. In the file has been uploaded successfully. Then data has been received for the in this process. Then click the process. Then going to IP setting process. Then download process to your uploading process to the creating the download process. So download button, click to the your uploading file has been displaying our process. Then click the download process to file has been downloaded for our application. Then click to file. So your file has been downloading the our process. Then going to main page. If file has been delete button, click to the file has been deleted to file has been deleted. Then main page. Memory has been low. The project has been automatically sent to the our temporary memory allocation process. If example our memory has been increased for our temporary, you will select the one type of file to memory has been selected. If start and desktop going to the our process, then select your desktop, then one type of file selecting for the our 10 MB files. Then if example code compare executed, then select to the our source file to save for the our save file for the save file, and your customer ID equal to 7. The exe has been stored for our process. Then calculating the every execution process to file has been calculated. If run the user ID has been access to the our process, so C7 and the password is 12345. You sign up to, so message box has been display. Your memory has been low, so allocating for temporary memory. Then click to access the temporary memory process. Then automatically setting for your IP address, example 127.0.1. Then click the submit process. The message has been displayed. Then going to upload process. So upload process, get home domain IP address. The IP address has been get, and select one type of file. For example book 123 text file. Then click the submit to the access the file process. Then automatically restart for the your new server application. The new server application automatically restart to the application stable for the our process. Then click the upload process. So submit to the file has been sent successfully. Then data has been received for the our process. Then now sign out for the our process. So sign out the our application. I log out to getting the new page for our process. Then click the ID to our process. So C7 and password is 12345. Then click the access process. The message has been displayed for your memory has been low, and then click for your message has been your amount has been pending display. Then click OK to automatically amount paying process to the directly send. In this your user ID equal to C7, and select your own type of bank, and your account number equal to 7111007, and your extra memory allocated for the 10 MB. Then click the submit process to the memory space created successfully. then click the logout process. So logout process to main page to our process. Then now create the access to the new user to, and your password is 12345. Then click the access process. So automatically normal access for the our process. Then upload process and download process and delete process has been the memory has been deleted for our process. Now memory detail check for the our process, then check the detail for the your memory. This is 20 MB. Now use the 9.54. Use your free memory for your available. Then going to main page, then download detail, click for to our process to our to file upload to getting the our details. Then going to main page. Thank you.